Close he is to the fucking edge.
I know.
Jesus Christ.
He walked in there and checked it out.
Why doesn't he go? Holy fuck, he's freaking me out. Get over to the right.
How do you say right?
Right,
He's okay.
Holy fuck. He is right on the fucking edge of that hole.
Yeah, I can see he's alright. He's got a foot.
He's got it. Amigo! Oh! Fuck.
Yeah, he doesn't need to be that close, but...
Derecha! Senor! Holy fuck, he's scaring the fucking shit out of me. He's like fucking 8 inches from that edge. Video because we're not doing this again, no.
Well, we're through the worst. That was a wild ride.
You even see you go back there and get him on video? Yeah.
Here we go. Woo! Made it.
Holy fuck, he was freaking me out how close he was to that fucking edge. Ah, fuck, we're good here, huh? We just unload and go around.
Yeah. Even if he backed up to that hill.
Yeah, but then we got to turn around and fuck about. Ah, yo pienso aquí es bien. Yeah, I think here is good. Yeah. It's bien. If he turned around,
he's got to turn around anyway, then he could back up to that hill. Would be better.
Down there anyway.
Piensen es más fácil para arriba, redondo, aquí, en atrás, para la rampa.
Más arriba.
Sí.
Más fácil, pero la camioneta, esta dirección, sí, atrás de la rampa.
Ah, sí.
¿Sí? ¿Es más fácil? ¿Tú piensas?
Ya,
Sí, golpeándola y luego...
Sí.
Okay,
sí. Ya. Okay, good. Is this thing flashing still? Camera?
It's on red. Oh yeah, there goes flash.
We're still filming.
Yeah.